Chris Bassett here, and I'm going to change the transmission oil on my Sportster. Let's get into it. We'll start off with the oil and the tools needed for this job. The 94 to 03 model takes 32 ounces of transmission fluid. You'll need an 1/8 inch Allen wrench for the clutch cover and a 5/8 inch wrench for the drain plug. So here your clutch cover has 4 bolts. Use your Allen wrench to break it loose and take it off. Have the drain pan under the bike because when you take the clutch cover off, you'll have a little bit of oil leak out. Also, if the motorcycle's been operated recently, wait about 10 minutes before checking the oil and allow the oil to settle in the case. You also want to park the motorcycle on a level surface and have support so that it's standing straight up. When you remove the clutch cover, be mindful of that rubber gasket. Check for damage and then put it in a safe location. You'll need to reuse it when you install the cover. You'll need a 5/8 inch wrench for your drain plug. It's located underneath the case. Here I'm tapping on it with the wrench. Don't forget to reposition your drain pan and then remove the oil drain plug. After you get the plug out, inspect the O-ring for damage and then replace it if necessary. The drain plug is magnetic. Check the plug for metal debris that may indicate transmission damage, then wipe off the plug. Replace the plug if it is damaged. I cleaned up the plug with a paper towel. It looks good now, and then the O-ring is also in decent shape. Reinstalling the drain plug by hand, and then the book says to tighten it to 14 to 21 foot-pounds. Multiple sources will say 20 W50 motor oil will work just fine in your transmission. However, with my engine being air-cooled, I want a heavier viscosity oil, and 75 W90 is recommended for the best protection and the smoothest shifting. Go ahead and refill your transmission through the opening in the primary drive cover with 32 ounces of 75 W90. The transmission oil should be even with the bottom of the clutch diaphragm spring. Once that's done, reinstall the clutch inspection cover and tighten the retaining screws up. There are links to parts in the description. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. And if this was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks.